Here's why Ctrl plus T is the most underrated Excel shortcut for anyone who is constantly adding new data. I've got an astronaut roster here built from three major eras of US lunar exploration: projects Mercury, Gemini, and Apollo. So everyone from the first American in space, Alan Shepard, down to Gene Cernan, the last person to walk on the moon. So I have some data about them accumulated, and as you can see, I have some metrics going on here. I also have a drop down here which I can use to pull details about individual astronauts. Now I want to add our brand new Artemis astronauts to this list. Watch what happens when I try to add this new data. Look at all the issues with this. The formatting is off, and these numbers, the metrics, they have not been updated yet. And if I go to the drop down list, Reed Weissman's name is not even on the list. This is a real problem. Unfortunately, this is familiar territory for many of you. Enter Ctrl T. So here are the steps. I click anywhere on this data, hit Ctrl T. Since I already have these headers, I leave this box checked. Now it's no longer a block of cells, it's an Excel table. If you're not a fan of this look, click anywhere on the table, go to table design, and then pick whatever color you like. So I'll pick this one. Now if you're like me, you're a simple man, you don't like this banded stuff, you do not have to go manually change all the bands. You can just go again to table design and just uncheck banded rows. If you want banded columns instead, you can do that. If you want a total row to be created right here at the bottom, you can do that. If you want the first column or the last column to be bold-faced, you can do that. You have so many options here. Now let's go add the new data and you can see the difference for yourself. This was a game changer. Whenever I added a new astronaut to the list, the table expanded automatically. Same with the formatting, any calculations, and check this out. All of these numbers are now updated as well. If you check out the formulas, you can see that they have been automatically updated. Even cooler, look at the drop-down list. If I scroll down, I can see all the new Artemis astronauts now on this list as well. Excel automatically pulled all of their data without me changing any of these formulas too. If you are working with data that always grows, this trick just saved you hours per week. If you want to write a formula, you now simply reference the name of the column. So the big lesson here is that Ctrl plus T converts your fragile data set into something that behaves like a real system whenever you add new data. Follow me for another Excel masterclass like this.